Guys, we just today another vlog. We just go for the timber market. We buy some more timber because we just working on the decking. We show you. So the decking border we need. We shot the border of the decking, and now we just go to heading down to the timber market, the timber store warehouse, and then we can buy it for some timber from it. So shall we begin now? So we can, when we reach there, we can show you. We just buy timber and then we come back. We just on our way, just near for the store. So they quite the packed traffic at the moment and quite slow because there's too much traffic at the moment. My Betty, my daughter, just she just driving now.
Assalamu alaikum everyone.
And she says Assalamu alaikum and hi for everybody. And we just another few minutes we'll be there. So the people just are crossing at the moment. So, and also, I just asking you, so how's your the time and life now? I think you're also busy with some other things, And my daughter get confused today because we just stay in the left lane, but she just always going for the right hand side because she used to for the right hand side, and the right lane.
Wix is confusing.
So
Finding Wix is confusing.
that's what. Now you just go on the right. So my daughter just confused a little bit, and the bird is on the screen nearly. And also I ask you, so how's your the time and life, and then the projects as well. So, and also there's some of them, the people just asking me. Brother, bhai, Paul Baik, where is the gardening vlog? I just working on it. As soon as I complete this decking, and then after I just carry on for my the normal vlog for the gardening. Don't worry, I make good gardening vlogs as well. So just be patient a bit because they are either Eid is on the way, just a few days away. So we also are busy with this, the Eid, and now the store came down.
What do you want me to cook?
I think a pocket here. So now we arrive now. So I just told you for the Eid just now, in few days away. So we just busy with these so many things. So that's why we don't, make for some of them vlogs. And after Eid, inshallah, we just make a vlog. And we just show you for how we celebrate the Eid, inshallah. So we can make another vlog. But this vlog, we just show you, share with you. So what we're doing, and we buy timber because this part of my, another vlog as well. So let's go inside. So now we just arrive on the store, and then we just find out for some trolleys and then go inside the store. And there is quite busy at the moment. So there you go. We found one trolley freehand now. So my daughter just make a vlog, and then I just take the trolley in. So I just start with the gloves. Safety first, guys, because if you don't put the gloves on, maybe some splinter go into your hand or finger.
Papa, look, Chevy.
Huh?
Chevy.
Yeah, very beautiful. I love it. My daughter has a Chevrolet because I love Chevy anyway, Chevy Cruze, because Chevy Cruze is very, very nice. I just like for the front grille, which is very beautiful. So we don't show you because the privacy is also the number plate. But Chevy Cruze is always a good car. Now we arrived in the store and we just going back of the warehouse to get the timber. Let's go for this side. So here we are. We're just in the timber area where is different sizes for the timbers and the big planks as well. So I just try to find for the right one anyway. So here is nothing for us, so we can just go in after. Now we arrive in the timber area and then different type of material here, which is the bricks and then slabs and all the patios from there. And it's fine. So now we go forward in the another timber area, which is the fencing area. So this is all the fencing. And there is all the different sizes of the fence. And there is some fencing posts as well, which is you can choose whatever you like, but this is the thing. And then there is the border we needed. There is the border we just buy for the 2.4, and this is the deck board. We just need for our decking for the border. So that's why there's shortage of this, the few planks, and then we can buy and then go back in our home now. So now we just bought the timber and we need some bricks. We put this, these foundation underneath some the bricks. And now we're gonna get these stuff we short of our decking, and now we just go and pay it. So we're looking for some, moving the tiles and for our tub. So then we can just go home. So yeah, we just done our shopping and then we just heading down to our home, and then we just put this stuff top of my car, top roof of the car, and then we tie it down. And then go home then. Now once we just put the car stuff top of the roof, then we can just tie it down properly. And this is look like to engineer car, but it actually not. So this is the technique we just use, and then I put something on the top. Very, very carefully, don't damage your car. But we just put underneath some foam and then put the wooden stuff on the top, because you don't need to be scratch your the car roof anyway. So now cross the roof.
it down, Papa?
Yeah.
It didn't go through.
I just go for a little loose then.
No, no. Yeah.
So now we just put this the whole timber on the top like this, and now they will just need to be tied down, and there you go. First of all, we're gonna tie down the front side. Tie it down properly. It's not going anywhere. This is a little loose. ऐसे करते हैं. उनको तो थोड़ा सा ये इधर कर दें. Move this strap a little bit on the from the top as well. चल, sit. That's it. So now guys, we just arrived. So our timber gonna be arrive, and we just reverse our car. So here we just the pack, and then we drive very slowly, and because that's why we take time. But it is my daughter just say hi to you all guys, and then thank you very much for watching us. And we just share you for this for we shot of the timber, and then now after we just go for the next level, and then we just share you little by little, and after when the vlog coming, and you can watch, we see how we done and how we create for this design, which is you very likes and loves it. And then I hope if you think you can make this type of project at home, then you can do it. Why not? Thank you.